Domino provides beverage solutions to multinational brewing and soft drinks companies, as well as to original equipment manufacturers who sell to customers in the beverage industry. We help our customers on every step of their production line, from product to pallet, wherever they're based in the world. In the beverage sector, there is no overcapacity. It's an industry where supply chain-driven efficiencies demand higher productivity, so it's imperative that there is no downtime. Common trends in the beverage sector are the introduction of more stringent legislation around unique product identification and traceability. Our customers are proactive when it comes to addressing legislative changes, and they know they can trust us to provide solutions whatever the challenge. Due to the nature of beverage production, there can also be challenges of sugar-laden air or moisture on equipment, which means they require tough coders and consumables to survive the harsh conditions. Partnering with Domino delivers much more than coding. It means productivity, compliance and confidence without compromise. We know our customers and their industries. We talk in their language, and we have solutions in place that can help them with any challenge they may face.